House is fantastic. It's really the first time all of the government agencies and departments have come together to collaborate and to really put Ireland on an international stage, at South by Southwest. We know over 350,000 people are here this week, and it's really important that Irish music, Irish enterprise, Irish innovation is front and centre for those audiences.
One of the real advantages we have is that we work within a really strong ecosystem of businesses, private businesses, together with state agencies, some outstanding state agencies, with government, with embassies, with consulates, to work together to create an ecosystem that provides a basis for future success.
Just on a panel looking at drones and also looking towards advanced air mobility and eVTOLs and what the future holds here at Ireland House, supported by Enterprise Ireland at South by Southwest. So we're having a fabulous week. A lot of the focus at the moment is on drone delivery companies. They're very much expanding. Amazon Prime Air have announced as well they're coming into the UK, they're coming into Europe as well. So we've got some really, really big players in the market who around the drone delivery space. We've also looking towards a lot of medical use cases as well. Things like wildfires, really critical. We know from California this year, but also Greece, very significant wildfires in Europe. So it's drones for good. And when we see this, so medical use cases, search and rescue, coast guards, even things like border patrol, and we've certainly seen an increase with the unfortunate war in Ukraine, where drones are really starting to come to their own. But these are a lot of the time civilian, off-the-shelf drones. Most drones who are out there to do, whether it's a survey company, whether it's a delivery company, they're there to do a specific role and a specific task, and really have no interest in what you're doing, either in your house or in your back garden or anywhere else. So I think that's one of the concerns that can be relatively easily allayed. The other thing is that what we have since the start of this year in Europe is we have drone IDs. So we have a drone tag. So a person there's drone scanner apps, and now you can download an app and you can point it, and if a drone is flying over, you can identify who that aircraft is. So it's a legal requirement in virtually all categories. There is some slight exceptions where the drone is required to emit a signal that is traceable back to the operator, the person who's flying that drone. So it makes it easier for the general public to be aware of who is actually flying over them. We've been able to invite guests, people, companies that we're working with, both here in the US, but also that we've met over the few days we've been here. We had the Austrian Chamber of Commerce here with us this morning as well, where we're doing some work in Austria and Vienna. And to be able to invite them to a location like Ireland House, you can hear the music starting here behind us as well. It's a really fantastic opportunity for us to be able to properly network with everybody here at South by. So we've had a fabulous week.
This event is happening coincidentally with the St. Patrick's Day festivals. To be able to use this event together with the St. Patrick's Day events, with the ministerial presence, with the opportunities to open the doors to world leaders, the opportunities to open the doors to senior executives in major organisations, because we're Irish, because it's St. Patrick's Week, is a great opportunity for Irish businesses, and being able to take advantage of that at this event is the most extraordinary opportunity. And the buzz, the energy, the level of entrepreneurial spirit that's demonstrated here at this event is infectious. I'm leaving here buzzing. It's been a fantastic experience.